everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have my Play by Sephora unboxing. This is for February, of course. If you're not familiar with Sephora Play by Sephora, it does run $10 a month, and you get 5 sample-sized beauty related products. Could be makeup, could be skincare, could be hair care, and then you get a bonus. Usually it's a fragrance sample. I know sometimes they have changed that up and put like a hair care sample. It's just like a foil packet. I would rather have the fragrance sample myself, but so far I've been pleased with Sephora Play, or Play by Sephora, however you want to call it. But I've been noticing they've been putting a lot of repeat items in the boxes, and I'm kind of like, what's the point of that? I've already got that, you know? Which I understand. They probably only have so much inventory. So there's that. So here's the box, of course. It always has the love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, Sephora.com Play. And then another thing is you get the 50 Beauty Insider points. You get your little Play Pass, which is great. But you actually have to physically take it to a Sephora. You cannot use it online. So I know I've said in every video they need to make this available online. So, and they do give you till March 31st to redeem. So they always give you like a month until the end of the next month to redeem. And the little bag this month says Feel the Love, because it's all about, you know, February, Feel the Love. And I think they put an extra item in this bag. It's like one item for you and one to give to your bestie or whoever. And this is really cute. It's got like little sayings. It's like, lipsticks are red, lipsticks are blue. Here is a shade that made me think of you. That's kind of cute. Do you even have pores? Do you dig my lipstick? So just cute little things like that. Your hair has more volume than a rock concert. So it's got cute little sayings. And of course the back tells you about what all products are on the inside. So let's dig in, shall we? Which this bag is cute. You know, it's got a heart on it. It says Feel the Love. I haven't really repurposed these bags. I need to find a use for them because I'm getting a lot of them. Some of them are cuter than others. This one's alright. I do like that I had the heart on it. So let's get right into it. Let me see if I can do the fragrance sample first. Okay, this is Chloe. This is Chloe. A classic scent that combines rose and peony to embody the confident, free-spirited woman. Now, I do like some rose fragrances and some I do not. It just depends on how strong the rose is. So let's spray the card. It smells okay, but it's very, very floral. I'm not sure, but now the more that I'm smelling it, I'm like, okay, like a little bit more. I had like a real strong floral scent at first. So, if you hear my nephew, he's probably screaming about something, who knows. Okay, yeah, it smells alright. It's like the longer it lingers, it's got a better fragrance to it. Okay, next item. This is from Farmacy. Let's see if I can't get that up close and personal with you all. Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. Ooh, I'm super excited to try this. I love makeup cleansing balms. So it looks like on the inside. It's sort of got a greenish tint to it. And it smells fresh. It smells very fresh. So I think I'm going to like this. Let's see what it says. It's Melt to Be. Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. A nourishing oil-based cleansing balm that clears away makeup gently and leaves skin smooth. Super, super excited to use this. I love the Clinique Take Off the Day. That's really good. So if this is really, really good, I may end up buying full size. Super excited about that one, and it smells good. Looks like we've got skincare. This is Belief, and look at that. It's kind of small, and it's a moisturizing eye balm. I love eye balms. Clinique makes some of my favorite eye balms. That's what it looks like. Doesn't really have a fragrance. Ooh, it feels nice and smooth and almost like a cooling sensation to it. And a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eyes. Whether you're feeling tired or dehydrated, a few dabs of this botanical infused formula will revive the area around your eyes for a firmer appearance. It's also a great prep for makeup application. So that's good. So super excited to try this olive eye cream. Okay, this is a repeat item. This is a repeat. I've received this before. It's the Laura Mercier Caviar stick eye color in rose gold. I'm not going to open this. It is pretty. I do like it, but I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway. So there's that. Okay, here's one of the lip items, and then there's another lip item. This is the Sephora brand, and this is in the shade Rebel Chic. Rebel Chic. I don't know, I can't talk today. And of course, I do like Sephora's packaging. They're like trying to make their packaging look a little bit nicer. I'm going to give this to the bestie, so I don't want to swatch, although it does kind of have the tips a little bit, like it's melted a little bit. But it does look like a very pretty color. It says it's a berry color. Super matte, yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. Nice. And last but not least is from the brand Fresh, and it's their Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF. So it's, I think this is supposed to be like a lip tint, drop a tint, an SPF infused balm in subtle rosy tint that protects and conditions lips all day. I love stuff like this. And I also like the packaging. It's very cute. And let's see if I can open it. And that's what she looks like. Let's see if it's got any sort of tint on my... It does actually leave a little bit of like a pinkish tint. So, I have to say, I'm pretty pleased with my Sephora play this month, although I did get one repeat item. But I'm most excited to try this Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melter. And of course, the eye cream. The perfume, let's smell it again. I'd like it. The longer it's, the longer it's in the air, it smells better. Okay. So that was everything in my Play by Sephora. Sephora Play. I'm super excited to know what you got in your Sephora Play box. Sephora Play bag. Whatever you want to call it. I think they did a couple variations. So be sure to let me know what you got. I'll be sure to check out your videos. Make sure you give my video a big thumbs up. Let me know that you like it. I would appreciate it. Leave your comments. I love to read them. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And have a fabulous day. Bye.